Hi guys, welcome back to another cooking video. Today we are going to be making corn moi moi, which is called ekusu in Benin language. So if you are interested, continue watching and let's get started. Here are the corns that we are going to be using for this recipe. I'm going to start by peeling off all the corns. So guys, if this is your first time on my channel, feel free to watch this video and please subscribe to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and set the notification bell to all so that you will never miss any of my upcoming videos that I'll be uploading on this channel. And please share this video and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you. So guys, as you can see, I just finished peeling all the corns. Take away all those tiny ropes that is in the middle of the corn. As you can see, our corn is well clean. Now I'm going to take my knife. I'll just be removing all the seeds out of the cob. Then I'll go and wash the corn. So I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to my old subscribers that always come back to watch my videos. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Guys, continue watching my videos, share my videos to your friends and family. Thank you so much for all you've been doing for this channel. I really appreciate, and God will bless you all. So now, as you can see, I've finished taking off all the seeds. So I'm just going to take this corn to my sink. I'm just going to wash them thoroughly. So guys, I'm just going to be repeating the process. Just wash the corn thoroughly until the corn is well clean. So guys, as you can see, here is the corn. I'm just going to set the corn aside. Then I'll start to wash the leaf that I'm going to use. So guys, this leaf you are seeing here, I've been storing this leaf in my freezer for almost 1 year now. You can store your own in your freezer anytime you want to make use of it. You just go there and bring it out. So I'm just going to be washing the leaf. You need to wash this leaf very well because the leaf, there is sand, there is dirty. You don't want any bacteria in your food, so that is why you have to wash it very well. So as you can see, the leaf is not so fresh like that, but I'm just going to manage it because this is just the only one that I have. There is no means to get another one from Nigeria, so I'm just going to manage the one that I have here now. So I'm going to be rinsing the leaves. I'm just going to set it aside. I will allow them to dry up before I will make use of it. So here is the leaves. I'm just going to allow it to dry up. So while I'm waiting for my leaves to dry, I'm going to show you all the ingredients that I'm going to use. I'll be using some palm oil, crayfish, onions, scotch bonnet, maggi, and some salt to taste. I'm going to be soaking this crayfish with some warm water just to avoid some sand in my food. So now guys, I'll be blending my corn with all the ingredients that I'm going to use. So I'm just going to tell you guys, you don't need too much ingredients in this recipe, because when you put too much ingredients, you're just going to lose the taste of the corn. So if you want to feel the taste of this corn moi moi, you don't need to add too much ingredients. Just, it's a very simple recipe if you really want to enjoy it. I'm going to be blending the corn, but you don't want it to be too smooth. I'll be adding some water to help my blender to blend properly. So my blender is not big enough to contain all the corn, so I'm just going to be blending it batch by batch. I'll be adding some salt, palm oil. I'm going to mix everything together. You need to mix everything together, the oil, because you want everything to incorporate very well. You don't need to add too much water inside your corn moi moi, because you don't want it to be too strong or too soft. You just need to control the water you're adding to it. I'm going to taste it if there is salt. If the salt is okay, the salt is okay, so I don't need to add more salt into it. So here is my pot that I'm going to use to cook this corn moi moi. I'm just going to place this leaf under the pot before I will start wrapping the corn moi moi inside the pot. Guys, here is a little bit challenging, so I'm just going to show you the way I know how to wrap it. I don't know, but I'm just trying. So if you know how to wrap it very well, kudos to you. This is the way I wrap my own. If you do better than this, it's good for you. I'm just learning. So here are all the corn moi moi that I've wrapped. I'm just going to be placing them in my pot. As you can see, my water is already boiling. So guys, if you have watched to this moment, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. Please guys, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed, please, before you leave, make sure you subscribe to my channel and set the notification bell to all, so that you will always receive alerts anytime I upload a new videos. And for my old subscribers, please share my videos to your friends, to your family. Thank you. So I'm going to cook this corn moi moi for about 35 minutes. Voila, our corn moi moi is ready, guys. This corn moi moi was so delicious. Please give it a try and let me know in the comment section. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video with another delicious recipe. Ciao. Bye bye.